Hello students, now the exams are near. In the next month there are exams of 10th and 12th board also. So you are ready for the exams, aren't you? Some students will say yes, some will say no. But why I have asked this question, aren't you? Yes, because I want to confirm your answer in the sense of yes or no. So you will understand that what I am going to teach you today. Yes, we are going to learn question tag. But before starting the question tag, if you do not have subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the crazy updates of English grammar videos. And at the end of each video, I always give some main points and the chart. So watch the video till the end. Then come towards the question tag. So what is mean by question tag? Question tag means a brief question or a short question. As I have asked you at the beginning of the video, the short question, you are ready for the exam. After that I have asked a brief question, aren't you? So this is a question tag. At the end of the sentence, we asked a brief or short question to receive the answer in the sense of yes or no, to confirm the answer from the listener. So now the meaning of question tag will be clear. So these are the rules of question tag, how we have to make the question tag. But before going towards the rule, I will show you some sentences and I will also give you the answer of one sentence, because after watching the answer, you can identify the changes which I have done in the sentences, and you will understand how we have to make the question tag. The sentence is, the boy is lazy. So the question tag of this sentence is, isn't he? I am telling you that the boy is lazy. Isn't he? I have asked here a short question, that is question tag. I want to confirm your answer, yes or no. So what changes we have done in the sentence while making the question tag? First rule or first change we have to do while writing the question tag of the sentence, that is, write down the sentence as it is. While making the question tag, you have to write the sentence as it is in the same way. Then after writing the sentence, you have to add the comma at the end of the sentence. In this sentence, the boy is lazy. After writing the sentence, at the end of this sentence, we have add here the comma. The comma is also very important while writing the question tag. After the comma, we will write the to be's verb or the helping verb. If the sentence is positive, then we have to add not with the helping verb or the to be's verb, but in the short form. How we will write the negative form or the short form of the to be's verb by adding not? We will write in this way. We will write an apostrophe T. So it is compulsory while writing the question tag, we have to write the question tag or the helping verb, the short form of helping verb, and not in the way. If there is, that is isn't. If there is, was, we will write the short form by adding the not in the sense wasn't. So what changes we have done? First we have written the sentence as it is. Then after that we have added here comma. Then we have written here the to be's verb or helping verb. If the to be's verb is given in the sentence, then write down as it is. If the helping verb or to be's verb is not given in the sentence, then you have to identify the tense of the sentence. We have learned the tenses. Then according to the tense, we will write the helping or to be's verb. We will add not to the to be's verb, but in the short form. We will write an apostrophe T Then after that, after writing to be verb, we have to write down the pronoun. So if there is noun in the sentence or any name in the sentence, we have to write the pronoun instead of the noun. Here the noun or the subject is the boy. So instead of boy, we will write here pronoun he. If there is girl, we will write she. If there is we, then we will write it as it is, because we itself is a pronoun. And after writing the pronoun, we have to add the question mark. The question mark is also important while writing the question tag, because here we are asking the question. If there is no comma or no question mark, we will miss the mark. This question is frequently asked in the 10th and 12th board also, and from 5th to 10th standard also this question is asked for 1 mark. So after watching this video, 100% you will get the 1 mark for the question tag. So let's see the second sentence. He does not take exercise. So what we will do, first we will write the sentence as it is, then we have to add comma, then the sentence is negative, so the question tag will be positive. If the sentence is positive, the question tag will be negative. Here the sentence is negative because here does not, the words are given, so this is the negative sentence. So while writing the question tag, we have to write the question tag positive, means we have to remove not. Then it is very easy. The to be verb or the helping verb already given in the sentence, we will write it as it is, that is does. The pronoun is also given in the sentence, we will write here he. After that we will add the question mark. The most important thing you have to remember while making the question tag, that the question, if the sentence is positive, question tag will be negative, and if the sentence is negative, question tag will be positive. Let's see the another example. They found a treasure. So in this sentence, while making a question tag, we will write the sentence as it is. After that we have to write comma, but here no to be verb or no helping verb is given. So what we have to do here, we have to identify the tense of the sentence. The sentence is about the past tense. How we have identified here? Because the verb found, it is a second form of verb. So it comes under the past tense. So the sentence is past tense. If the sentence is about the past tense, the question tag, while writing the question tag, the to be verb we have to use, that is did. In present tense, we will write the helping verbs do, does. In past tense, we will write only did. So the sentence is about the past tense, so we have written here did. Then the sentence is positive, that's why we have to add here not, that is didn't. Here they, the pronoun is given, we will write the same pronoun here and we will write the question mark. They found a treasure, didn't they? Let's see the another example. Bring that pen. Here the sentence is different because these are the statements. These three are the statements, but here this is the imperative sentence or the command. Imperative means the sentence which starts with the verb. That is called as an imperative sentence. So in the imperative sentence, we have to, while converting it or while writing the question tag of imperative sentence, first we will write the comma and only one question tag we will write here, that is will you. It is very easy. If there is command, or if there is imperative sentence, we will write the question tag, that is will you, and add the question mark. Then let's go now. If the sentence is starting with the let's, then there is a rule, compulsory rule, that if the sentence started with let's, then we have to write the question tag shall we. It is also compulsory, if the sentence is about the command or imperative, we will write the question tag will you, and if the sentence is starting with let's, we will write the question tag, that is shall we. After that, one thing is compulsory, we have to add the question mark. Then next sentence, I am right. So while writing the question tag, first we have added here comma. So how we will write the question tag of this sentence? If I write here am not, is it right? No, this is the wrong. If the question containing I am, then we will write the question tag aren't, if the sentence is positive, and then we will write the word I. If the sentence is positive and it starts with the I am, then the question tag will be aren't I. Then next sentence, I'm not tired. So this is also same sentence starting with I am, but here the sentence is negative, not is added in the sentence. So while writing the question tag of this sentence, we have to write comma, then we will write am I. Here we can write am I. If the sentence is negative and if it is starting with I am not, then the question tag will be am I. So we have seen here the different types of examples. The examples of present tense, past tense, imperative sentence, let's, sentence with starting with let's. So the question tag is very easy. What changes we have done here? I repeat it. First we will write down the sentence as it is. Then after writing the sentence, at the end of the sentence we will add comma. Then we will write the to be verb or helping verb. We will add there not if the sentence is positive. And we will write the short form of not. If the sentence is negative, we will write only the to be verb. After that we have to write the pronoun, and after the pronoun we have to add the question mark. So these are the rules of making question tag. I hope you will understand the question mark, and in the coming exams in the next month, you will get 1 mark for the question tag, 100%. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Bye.